will be your instructor. In this course, you will learn how to make amazing 3D pixel art, just like in the game named Crossy Road. Now, you don't need to be an artist to make amazing graphics like these, because it's using simple blocks in 3D models that could be reused. In this course, you will learn how to use free tools, that's right, you don't have to spend a penny, and you will be able to make amazing 3D characters such as the chicken, the zebra, the baby duck, and the tree frog, and even much more. You will also learn how to make landscapes, cars, trucks, roads, and a lot more different items. Now, unlike any other course, we will not just stop at making 3D art. You will also learn how to use them within games. That's right, we're gonna learn and take Unity 3D software and take all our characters and put them inside of a game. I'm making this super easy for you. All the steps are shown to you within the video lectures, so you can always stop, pause, rewind. You can't possibly miss a step. And by the way, this course comes with an amazing bonus. That's right, you can download all the 3D models, all the roads, the trucks, and even the Unity project files for free. It comes with the course. All the finished projects. Priceless skills you will learn in this course can be applied to so many projects. So invest in yourself, invest in your education, and take this course now. I'll see you inside.